Hariom children, this is exercise number 7.3, sum number 3. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. I have drawn a cylinder. Height is 2.4 centimeter. I can write this as 24 divided by 10 for easy calculation. Okay. And the diameter is 1.4. If the diameter is 1.4 centimeter, what will be its radius? 1.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.7. Okay. So radius can be written as 7 divided by 10 centimeter. Everything write it in fraction for easy calculation purpose only. Okay. A cone of the same height. So height will be same for the cone. Height is equal to, this is a cylinder. Now a cone is being carved out. So this is cone. Okay. Carving means what? Carving a statue. Sedukudal. Silai sedukudal. Is it not? So carving a statue like that. Carving a cone out of a cylinder. So this part will go off. If we carve a cone out of a cylinder, they are asking you to find what is this what is the part which was carved out. Okay. A cone of the same radius, same height and same diameter. So height is also same, 24 by 10 centimeter, and diameter is also same. So radius will be 7 by 10 centimeter. Okay. Find the volume of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter cube. What is the remaining solid? Means the part which has been carved out, this remaining pieces, that the volume of those pieces must be found out. I'll first find out the volume of the cylinder, then volume of the cone. Then if we subtract both the volumes, I will get the volume of the remaining part. Okay. Volume of the remaining part is equal to volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. What is the formula for finding volume of the cylinder? Pi r squared h cubic units. And for volume of the cone, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Memorize the formulas thoroughly. Then only you can attend the sum. Now, pi is common for both. I'll start the calculation from here. Pi is common for both. R squared is also common. H is also common. So I'll have 1 minus 1 by 3. Pi r squared h, if I take it outside, the remaining will be 1. Right? Minus 1 by 3. Pi r squared h I have taken outside. Centimeter cube. Now 22 by 7 into r squared is 7 by 10. 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. What is the height? 24 by 10. 24 divided by 10 into 1 minus, take LCM here. 3 will be your LCM. 3 minus 1. Okay, children. Now, cancel it. 7 will go off. Wait for the remaining. Don't cancel these 10s. Okay. I'll say what to do. 22 into 7 into 24 divided by 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. Into 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 3 already is there, that you can bring it down. Now cancel it again. Here I'll get 8 times. Right, children? Now 22 into 7. 22 into 4 into 2. First we will multiply. I'll get 44. 7 8s are 56. 7 7s are 47. 49. 8 7s are 56. Divided by 1000. Now 56 into 44 I need to multiply. 6 4s are 24. Balance 2. 5 4s are 20. Plus 2 22. Again 4, 2 and 2. 4. 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 2 4. Remainder 2. So which is equal to 2464 divided by 1000. So when you divide a numerator, a number by 1 followed by zeros, it is easy for calculation. Write the numerator as such. You would have studied this in lower classes. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Count from the last 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So you will have 2.464 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the remaining solid. Now to write the conclusion, volume of the remaining solid. When you round it off, you will get 2.46. 2.46 centimeter cube. With this sum number 3 is completed. Underline the solution and draw lines. Hurry on.